we are. Welcome to my kitchen, Judy's Keto Kitchen. And today I'm making zucchini muffins, which are going to be chicken based, so no nut flours. It's going to be delicious. Everybody's having, at this time of year, their zucchinis are coming in, and so you're going to want to make muffins or zucchini bread. So this is what I'm doing. And first I have a pound of chicken, ground chicken, all cooked up that I just cooked. I'm going to put it in my little food processor. And what I used to do is I would wait until the chicken cooled and then I'd process it. But now, while it's hot, and I know you can't see this, so let me see. I gotta move this. So I'm putting the ground chicken that's cooked into my little food processor. It's hot. It just came off the stove. I also used to, there's liquid that comes out of the chicken, and I used to not use the liquid, but I keep all the liquid in. It's not fat because my ground chicken is very lean, but there's always some liquid that comes out. And this is a cast iron pan, so it's kind of hot. That's why I'm spooning it in here. But I think the last little bit I'm gonna have to. As I said, I used to wait until it cooled off. Now I do it when it's hot, and I'm just gonna process it, and it's gonna be loud, so I'll turn the video off. But as you can see, it's pretty well broken up. It used to be larger chunks of chicken before I started doing it this way. So now what we're going to do is add our 6 egg yolks. And in here I have 2 teaspoons of gelatin, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons or 13 grams of egg white powder. I like to weigh mine. So we're also going to add that, and we're going to process it. Every once in a while I just make sure everything's going to be processed. This is going to make a nice smooth batter. Now when I used to make this, I did not process it enough. And sometimes, as I said, there were little chunks of chicken in it. So now what we're going to do, grate our zucchini. I had a small zucchini, and this is my grater. So you just grate the zucchini. I'm going to put it in paper towel, this bowl, and we're going to put in our 6 egg whites. Now, I like my egg whites cold. I think they whip up better when they're cold. Other people have said they like them better room temperature. It's never worked for me room temperature. And since this is going to be zucchini muffins, I'm adding a little sweetener. And for me, I'm adding better stevia vanilla. If you don't use this, you can add a teaspoon of vanilla and whatever sweetener you want. I'll just add some. I don't like it too sweet, so I'm not adding a lot. And then we're going to whip these up. That looks good. And these don't have to be, we're not making the PSMF breads, so it doesn't have to be stiff peak, but this is a stiff peak. Add in the chicken mixture and fold it in. Be very careful. These are very sharp. Do not use your hands. Make sure it's all completely mixed, that you don't see any white areas. And as I said, we're going to weigh the zucchini to see. You see how much, this paper towel is soaked. So you see how much water there was in there. Mix it well so there's zucchini in all the parts. Now, normally without the zucchini it would make 12 muffins, but we've added volume with the zucchini, so I just like to make them even with the top. These do not rise, so okay, so we made 19 muffins. I'm going to put these in a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. Let me make sure that's correct. Yeah, 35 to 40 minutes. And we'll be back to see how it is. Now, you know, it's very hot here in North Carolina. The humidity is off the roof. Every day is a bad hair day. So, I'll be back in 35-40 minutes. Well, the zucchini muffins have come out of the oven and they look amazing. But before I show you that, I just want to mention my PSMF, Precision PSMF cookbook. I finished. It's now on Amazon. There will be a link below. These muffins obviously are not good for PSMF days, but if you're at all interested in doing a Precision PSMF challenge, then this cookbook is full of good recipes. But now, oh, look at this. Look at these zucchini muffins. They look good, and I can't wait to try it. They're nice and moist. Muffins made with the chicken, ground chicken, are always moist, but the zucchini makes it even better. A little bit sweet with a little bit of stevia, not too sweet. These are very good. I think I need another bite. Enjoy.